getting answers about the accuracy of them if they sit outside in this cold too long. Consumer investigator Jason Knowles and the I-Team finding out what you need to know.
You may not be home when your free COVID tests arrive in your mailbox or on your doorstep, which will expose your test to the cold. One viewer said his test had a label saying it had to be stored at room temperature, so we asked experts if that mattered. Are those free COVID tests mailed in Chicago's February temperatures going to be ruined if they sit out too long? Jacqueline Korpix, the medical director for the COVID-19 response at the Cook County Department of Public Health, says she's been hearing that question a lot lately.
The test developers have made them so that the tests will be stable when the tests are stored at various temperatures, so whether really cold or really hot.
The key for consumers to remember is let it sit at room temperature for a while before taking that test.
Yeah, the FDA recommends that you bring it inside as soon as you can and then leave it unopened at room temperature for at least 2 hours before opening it and using it.
And there is a way to check if the test works.
So as long as that control line is still showing up as it's supposed to, then your test is working fine.
The Illinois Department of Public Health also told the I-Team that developers of the COVID tests knew shipping conditions would vary drastically, so they researched the test performance at various temperatures. They found the tests remain stable, but they also found that when they are being used, the temperature of the test should be between 59 and 86 degrees. Korpix adds another important reminder.
In general, you can trust a positive test. So if your in-home test is positive, we say treat it as a positive. Act like you have COVID, isolate.
Health experts say if you have symptoms or you have been exposed to COVID and your test is negative, follow it up with a more accurate PCR test. If you have problems or questions getting your free COVID-19 test, go to abc7chicago.com. Jason Knowles, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.